Let's do some cleaning on your computer. Open your Google browser. Go all the way to the top right and you'll see three dots. And put your cursor over those three dots and go down to History. And then on that screen you click on History. And then after you click on History, you come to the left and it says Recent History. Then you will see all kinds of stuff in the middle. You want to go over to the left where it says Chrome History. Click on Chrome History. Okay. And you'll see cleared browsing data underneath it. Click cleared browsing data, and then you'll see a box like this come up, and it'll say time range, and you're going to bring that down to all time, and you're going to come down here and you're going to hit clear data. That's one thing you can do to speed up your computer. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the start button, and we're going to right click the start button, and we're going to left click where it says run. And then this run box will open up. And then I want you to type temp in there, T-E-M-P. T-E-M-P. Type that in, and then hit OK. And then if this comes up here, just hit continue. And then you'll see a whole bunch of things in here that are temporary files. So what you do there is you hold down your Control A key on your keyboard, and that will highlight everything. Control A, then you can hit delete on your keyboard. Once you hit delete, that'll go, and then you close that out. Close that whole box, go back down to the bottom, and then you're going to right click that again, and then you're going to left click where it says run, and this time you're going to type in prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H, prefetch. Then you're going to hit OK. Then this box will come up again. You'll hit continue. And you do the same thing. You'll hit Control A on your keyboard, highlight everything. Then hit delete on your keyboard. Now let me find delete. And it will get rid of most of the stuff. If you don't get rid of all of it, that's okay. Just close it all out. And just close that box. And go back to the bottom, to start button, right click again, hit run. This time we're going to type in percentage. You hold the shift down and you hit percentage. Then you're going to type in temp, T-E-M-P, and then shift, and then percentage. So now we got that in there. And they're going to hit OK. And then another box is going to come up in the center, and you're going to do the same thing. Hold down the Control A key, and then hit the delete key. And then it will get rid of most of the stuff. And then you just close that out, and your computer should run a lot better after that.